Welcome to my YouTube channel Bike Fever 1. Today we are talking about the Jawa Perak as a factory custom bobber motorcycle that blends vintage styling with modern engineering. With its matte black finish, floating seat, and chopped fenders, it captures a raw and minimalist aesthetic that appeals to riders who love old-school design with a modern twist. The bike runs on a 334cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that generates about 30 bhp and 32.7 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed gearbox. This engine is derived from the Jawa Classic but tuned for a slightly sportier performance. Riding the Perak feels different compared to most other bikes in its segment. Thanks to its low-slung stance and longer wheelbase, the Perak offers a planted, stable ride, especially on straight highways. The rear monoshock suspension, which is hidden under the seat, enhances the bike's clean, stripped-down look while delivering decent comfort for solo riders. However, it's worth noting that the Perak is strictly a single-seater, which is part of its unique charm. In terms of features, it's pretty minimalistic. No LED displays or high-tech electronics here. The instrument cluster is a small analog unit with a digital inset. The focus is clearly on style and riding experience over flashy tech. Jawa has built this bike for those who enjoy attention on the road. It's a conversation starter wherever you park it. The exhaust note, too, is a head-turner with its deep, throaty thump that stays true to Jawa's retro DNA. The Jawa Perak is priced around 2.15 lakh rupees ex-showroom, and while it may not be the most practical choice for everyday commuting or two-up touring, it's perfect for those who want a bike that stands out and offers a unique riding vibe. It's more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. If you're looking to ride something different, something that speaks attitude and individuality, the Perak might just be your kind of machine.